Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Angie Fryer, and I'm the Senior Marketing Communications Manager for IronRidge. And today I'm joined by Alan Terwilliger, a Distribution Account Manager who services the Soligent accounts. We're really excited to talk to you today about FlashVue. So without further ado, I'm going to turn this over to Alan. Hi, Alan.
Hey, Angie, and hey, everyone else. I'm sure most of you have met me or spoken with me before. But as Angie said, we're rolling out some new product today, and we just want to talk with you guys a little bit about that. So the product that we're introducing is called FlashVue. Let's take a look at it. We've heard solar installers love FlashVue 2, but they wish for some changes like easier pilot hole alignment, less roof nail interference, easier L-foot handling and installation and orientation, more cost-effective pricing. So we've been listening and we're responding with a new design that should address all of these issues. The result is a product called FlashVue. We reimagined flashing and we've optimized our design for an all-around better experience. So here you'll see the mill version. And it also comes in a black finish. The black finish is a Kynar powder coating, which should offer superior hardness, obviously color, mar resistance, and long-term corrosion resistance. So similar to the FlashVue 2, FlashVue streamlined down to 3 components. You have your lag, your GripCap, and the flashing itself. A little further into the presentation, you'll learn about one exciting additional component to support installations as well. So it comes with a custom 7/16 inch lag bolt, which comes pre-assembled with an EPDM washer. Washer provides another seal of protection, while the bolt size matches the entire IronRidge system. So let's talk about its strength. If you recall a few years ago when we released FlashVue 2, it was one of the strongest, or it was the strongest residential flashing on the market. But today there's one that's stronger, and that is the new FlashVue. Its strength allows you to take full advantage of spans and reduce the number of attachments required in a system. And the FlashVue has 365 pounds of lateral strength. While strength is important for the integrity of the system, for a homeowner, their concern is only about how their roof is protected because they don't want any leaks on the roof. Installers have to convince the homeowner that despite the number of holes they have to drill into the roof, their home will be protected. We offer that peace of mind with our waterproofing, of course. Once the product is stacked and fashioned, a 3-tier water seal is formed. This includes the elevated rim of the flashing, combined with the friction fit plug of the GripCap, along with the sealing washer on the underside of the GripCap. The GripCap also encapsulates the elevated rim below, and the EPDM washer of the lag bolt sits above the entire stack. This waterproofing design allows it allows installers and homeowners to be assured that their roof will not leak. So you can see it a little bit clearer here. The elevated rim is part of the flashing, formed right into it, providing a sturdy docking location for the GripCap, while also improving water shedding capability by moving water away from the viewport. Our lab tests have proved that the FlashVue will provide peace of mind and protection from the elements while also simplifying our installation process. While there is a proliferation of non-flash mounts on the market, you should know that the National Roofing Contractors Association, as well as the International Residential Code, have code standards for any penetration and flashing that require you to follow roofing manufacturers' instructions. and those instructions require flashings to protrude beyond the second course of the shingles. At 12 inches long, the FlashVue gives you full protection as required by the code. Another concern that some owners have is how the system will look once it's installed. So we've designed FlashVue to be low profile. FlashVue provides an aesthetically pleasing low profile look. Rails can be mounted lower, having a 3/4 inch lower roof clearance than FlashVue 2. There's still 1 inch of vertical height adjustment. This equates to 20% lower to the deck with the same vertical height adjustment of 1 inch as the FlashVue 2 has. When you pair this with sleek black modules and our camo hidden end clamp, this clean, low-profile aesthetic looks to be a winner on anyone's home and can compete with any high-end system on the market. But not all roofs are perfectly flat. Some have undulations, and some parts of the country have older housing stock with less than perfect roofs. Installers can still provide that sleek look and accommodate for a few dips in the roof by purchasing the GripCap Plus, which is an accessory to bail them out of those less than perfect roof situations. It's sold separately and it offers an additional 1 inch of vertical height adjustment. You simply install the GripCap Plus in place of the standard GripCap and you continue with your installation. So we recommend you keep a few of these just kicking around in the truck for an occasion where you maybe need a little additional clearance. And GripCap Plus is equally as strong as our standard GripCap. There's no compromise in any strength or engineering. So you should never really mistake the GripCap Plus with the standard one because it's bigger. But just in case, there's a little plus sign on the back to make it easier to make sure you grab the right one. It's sold separately and it's only in black. So FlashVue has some specific features to make your install easy. It's made by 0.032 inch thick aluminum, offering the stiffness needed for installing under the shingle. It also features an 8 by 12 inch slim profile for less interference with roofing nails. It maintains positive features that were introduced with the FlashVue 2, such as alignment notches, reinforcement stiffeners, and the rounded corners you guys are used to, which make for a better install experience. While some manufacturers are moving away from flashing, FlashVue offers a more reassuring path. A narrower flashing for less interference, but it's worth mentioning again, still 12 inches long to penetrate that third course of shingles and protect the roof along the way, which manufacturers require. Just for comparison, FlashVue 2 is 0.040 thick inch thick in comparison. Once again, this is a shot of the alignment notches, which are designed to help quickly line up the flashing with chalk lines and pilot holes. The notches are centered on our lag bolt hole. And here is where FlashVue is really unique and stands out. No other flashing on the market has this feature to make an installation easier and faster. It has a large viewport to enable easy alignment with the pilot hole. No more lifting the flashing to find the hole or putting your cheek to the hot roof to look underneath. No more misalignments or searching, which slows down the install. That large viewport is around 3/4 of an inch and it serves double duty as the dock for the GripCap Plus and the GripCap Plus. Pressed into the viewport dock, the GripCap plugs the hole with a high tolerance snug friction fit for easy installation. It can be set in place into the viewport with one hand where it will stand firm during the install. Due to its 360-degree capability, the GripCap can be placed in any orientation needed. There's also an EPDM sealing washer in the underside of the GripCap to provide dependable waterproofing. And the GripCap has an open drop-in slot for easy rail attachment. This design allows for mounting the GripCap in any orientation during installation, as you can see the animation here. So let's walk through an install. Step 1, you would drill your pilot hole. Step 2, you're going to align your flashing just like you normally would. Step 3, backfill your pilot hole just like you always would. Now, I do want to call out, you're not going to fill the cavity here. You're just going to fill your pilot hole like you always would. Step 4, push your GripCap or GripCap Plus in place firmly in the orientation that you desire. It will stay in place. Step 5, now that both of your hands are free, you can grab your driver and install your lag bolt. And step 6, drop in and attach your rail. It's really that simple. So like all IronRidge products, FlashVue has been thoroughly tested, and just like FlashVue 2, FlashVue has been certified by Intertech to comply with UL 2703 PV ground test for electrical and fire safety, as well as UL 441 waterproofing test, rain test for confirming waterproof seal. We also certify to the TAS 100 wind-driven rain test, so hurricane level winds, and wind-driven rain test for prolonged and extreme weather conditions. And we put all of our products and FlashVue through a wide range of tests in our in-house lab. So here you can see some of those tests being performed on the FlashVue, such as the lateral load test. All of this certification really boils down to quick approval with AHJs and peace of mind for homeowners and installers. So FlashVue Packaging. We think you'll appreciate how compact a box of 20 is. It's really, it's meant to be easy to tote up onto the roof and handle there. At only 16.8 inch by 12 inch by 22.6 inch thick, it's more comparable to a pizza box than a standard box of flashings that you're probably used to. FlashVue it is available in the IronRidge design tool. Once you select the roof material as comp shingle, you can select FlashVue as your roof attachment, and it will become part of your design and bill of materials. You may be asking, well, that's great, but how much does it cost? Where can I get it? We designed FlashVue to be economical while reducing its soft costs. So let's talk about that. Here you'll see the MSRP pricing of $13.40 for mill and $14.65 for black. The accessory GripCap is sold separately for $6. So it's worth calling out that this is MSRP. I would recommend reaching out to your Soligent distribution manager and ask them about pricing and availability. It should be available now. So let's talk about how this would impact a system. It's designed. We've designed a simple array, producing a bill of materials with Design Assistant with mill, FlashVue 2, and notice the MSRP of $1,505.90. That same bill of materials with FlashVue instead is $1,412.30, which is 6.25% less, or $83.70 overall savings. On this system, the savings equated to about 1 cent a watt. If you take this same bill of materials and you use black flashings, it offered closer to a 2 cents a watt savings. Customers who like to be able to buy a full stack of IronRidge from the deck up can now do so at a lower price point. FlashVue is $1.20 cheaper than FlashVue 2 MSRP, and FlashVue may only be about 12 cents to 80 cents a piece more than other comparable flashing products. But with IronRidge, you get an optimized install process, higher uplift and lateral strength, flashing that fits between nails, an elevated 3-tier water seal protecting your roof, and of course that 25-year IronRidge warranty that everyone loves. So let's recap a bit. With FlashVue product, you get an easy to install product that reduces your soft costs, strong waterproofing so that you can rest easy on your install, a low profile aesthetics so that homeowners are happy with the look of their system, and a cost-effective mount so more installers can use IronRidge from the deck up, and of course that awesome 25-year warranty from a company that's actually been around for that long. Do we have any questions?
We do, Alan. First question is, when is this available?
So it is available now. You should be able to reach out to your rep, and it is actually out in the market right now.